In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the app icon on your Windows 11 computer. The first thing we need to do is to prep the image that we want to use for the new icon. App or program icons must be in ICO format. So all we're going to do is open up our browser and type in ICO converter and then use one of the converters that are available online. I'm just going to pick the top one and then choose the file. I'm going to select the WebP file that I have on my desktop and then just click convert and save it on our desktop. As we can see here, the converted ICO file is to the left and is Kakashi from Naruto. Now we're going to change the Steam application icon here into Kakashi. So all we need to do is right click on this shortcut and click properties. Next, you want to head over to the shortcut tab and then head to this change icon button. Now at this point, I would heavily suggest that you click in this box here, click Control A and then Control C and then paste this somewhere, because if you ever want to change the icon back after you're done, this is the most efficient way of getting the original icon back. However, to change the icon, which is the main reason that we are doing this, find the newly converted ICO file, click it, make sure it's highlighted, click OK, then click Apply. So as you can see right at the bottom, I've got Steam open and it's the newly changed anime avatar. If this video helped you, please consider giving it a like. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.